promise that you never be lonely. Be the fam that's with.
Hey guys, it's Christy here, and I'm just gonna be decluttering and cleaning up my makeup things. So when I went to Costco's one day, I found this really cute file thing that I could use for my makeup. It's supposed to be for probably paperwork or something, but I used it for my makeup. So we can go take a look at that real quick. So that's what it looks like. I took the drawers out already because I'm emptying it out, but it works very well. And I believe it was maybe $30 at that time. So this really works well for my makeup, and I'm gonna really try my best to get rid of some. It's hard for me to depart from my makeup because I will use it one day, one day I will need it. But we're gonna go through it today, and I'm gonna try and put them, like blush in one area, not all cluttered in one drawer where I can't find anything. So wish me luck, guys, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. We're gonna go and try and see what we can do about this mess, okay? Okay, so I just got a couple of more drawers to put down on there. I probably got some other things in the bathrooms as well, and I will be creating my giveaway box as well, because I know some things I bought for that, or I have it. Okay, so these are some of the I don't have like the big palettes. Most of these palettes I got from, what is that, TJ Maxx, Ross's, and some of them in my makeup Ipsy bags or my Cult Crush bags. I will let you, these are the only ones that I actually purchased. This one here, ooh, that one fell away. I liked it because it had this green color. I bought this one it was about 20, and I did purchase this a while back. Of course I hit the pan on that one. First time ever I hit the pan on something. Okay. And I did also purchase this one because it was at TJ Maxx. I thought they were really cute colors in there as well. Okay, so I purchased this one as well. And okay, let's see what is. I purchased this one at one of them, TJ Maxx or Ross's. I never used it. I probably just swatched it once or twice. I never really even touched this palette at all. But the blue, and I like the blue color in that one. Okay, and this one here I got from my Cult Crushes. It was a subscription box. I like the vibrant colors. So this one I purchased, I think it was from TJ Maxx. You see, I hardly dip into my eyeshadows, but it's there for me to use. Okay. And then the Meat Matte, I think I got this in my Cult Crush as well. So these are like, I never look, it's like I don't, my eyeshadows are not even touched, right? And then this one, I got that from my, I want to say Ipsy Glam Plus. Yeah, I think I got it from there. But that's one thing I do like to get in my subscription boxes, would be palettes, brushes, things like that. I don't want to get like the chapsticks or sheet mask. I don't want to get that kind of stuff. Oh, and I did purchase this too myself. I love Huda, but I gotta make more money to get there. Yeah, I love her. She is so beautiful as well. And then this one came in my Ipsy last month. But one thing I like about it, it came with these 4 colors, but then now I have a chance to put the loose plates from my subscription boxes into here, and it's magnet, so this is a good one for me to have. Yeah, there you go, there. And I can even put more. Some of these are like, this is a blush, you know, but it still works. I just got this one in December. I didn't do an unboxing of it because I don't want to do it. Okay, so those are my palettes. I don't want to make this too long, okay guys? Sorry guys, if you do hear that noise in the back, I'm so sorry. It's the AC, but I really need it. It's so hot. I can't not have it on. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. I'll try to like put a little music in the background to like kind of drown it out, hopefully. But anyways, this is my makeup on this bed. What the heck? I mean, it's like I see some people with like, this would be all their palettes, but you know. Nevaeh, come here. Hold on. Okay, it's like, where do I start? Okay, so this here, I bought it to try on, but I never did use it. So I'm going to put this in my giveaway as well. I don't think I used it. No, I don't think I used it at all. I was going to do a review on this color changing foundation, but I never got the chance to do it. So I'm going to just end up putting this in the giveaway. So whoever wins it, you know, it'll be maybe the right color for you. I was gonna try it, but I just decided that's okay. I got this from Amazon, so that's going in the box as well. So when I do reach 100, that's when I'll be doing a giveaway, guys. I'm not trying to bribe you guys, but hey, why not? Nah, just joking. But I just thought that, you know, the things I have that I'm not doing anything with, why not give it to someone else? Yeah. Okay, and this one I'm keeping this, guys. I haven't even opened it yet. Okay, so let's get started. I don't even know how to get started, but I'm gonna start right now.
Dash away from Popo. Yeah, snakes around my grass, they want my dodo. But I keep a 40, they don't know, no. Got the Henny, you get cold.
Alrighty guys, I'm back. Look at her. She hid her little treat under there. That son of a gunner. Okay, but anyways, this is the box that I'm throwing away. I just got, these are all my, this is to throw away. But this is just to wash my brushes. Look at all this junk in here. Oh, I'll change that up later. But these are to throw. And then I put on my makeup, whatever. I shot up big palettes up here already. And then I got this from TJ Maxx. It was like $3 or something. And it's so big for your brushes. It works well. And look, I got two empty, pretty much empty. This not empty, but you know, you may as well call it empty. And I didn't sort it out, but I just put it in there. I got rid of some stuff, so it looks good. I'm happy that I at least got two empty drawers now. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys did enjoy that video, and I will see you shortly in my next video. Aloha.